you're probably making everyday life harder than it needs to be. And you don't even realize it, because hiding on Amazon right now are gadgets that can track your essentials, save you time, eliminate annoying little tasks, and make ordinary things feel ridiculously easy. And the crazy part? Some of these look so simple you'd never guess what they can actually do, but once you see what gadget number 7 does, you might never look at your daily routine the same way again. Ever lost your keys 5 minutes before leaving the house? Yeah, no anymore. The On-N-Go Tag is an ultra-thin rechargeable tracker that lets you keep tabs on your wallet, keys, backpack, luggage, or anything else you absolutely can't afford to lose. Its slim design makes it easy to attach without adding annoying bulk, while Find My helps you locate your stuff when it disappears. And because it's rechargeable, you don't have to keep replacing disposable batteries either. Tiny tracker, massive peace of mind. What if you could take something straight from your imagination and literally print it onto almost any surface? That's the crazy idea behind PrintPen, a pocket-sized portable printer designed to bring your ideas into the real world wherever you are. Instead of being stuck with a traditional printer, you can carry this tiny tool around and turn concepts, labels, designs, or creative ideas into something tangible on the go. It's the kind of gadget that makes you rethink what a portable printer can actually do. Your pocket just became a printing studio. Think a full-size grill needs a backyard? Think again. Meet the Karbo Grill. It packs a grill, griddle, and powerful 8,000 BTU gas burner into a surprisingly portable setup. With a large cooking surface capable of reaching up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, its die-cast aluminum shell makes it built for taking your cooking beyond the kitchen. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just craving that perfect outdoor sear. And with a compact design, you can bring serious cooking power without hauling around a massive grill. Big grill energy, without the giant grill. What if your keychain could secretly replace several gadgets you carry every day? Bullet Tag combines a Find My tracker, charging cable, 100-watt USB-C GAN charger, and even up to 256 gigabytes of storage into one incredibly compact keyring. You get fast 20-watt charging, 5 gigabits per second data transfer, and a foldable design that practically disappears in your pocket until you actually need it. It can even handle your everyday charging and data needs without forcing you to carry extra accessories. Your keychain just got seriously upgraded. Need to move huge files without carrying around a bulky external drive? This magnetic SSD enclosure turns a compatible M.2 SSD into an ultra-portable storage powerhouse, with USB-C speeds reaching up to 10 gigabits per second. The aluminum body doesn't just keep it compact, it also helps with heat dissipation during demanding transfers, while the magnetic design makes it incredibly easy to keep attached to compatible devices. It works across phones, tablets, computers, and more, giving you serious storage wherever you go. Your storage just went pocket-sized. What if the tiny flashlight on your keychain was powerful enough to handle almost any situation? The Woobin packs up to 400 lumens into a super compact, flat design that slips easily into your pocket or attaches right to your keychain. But brightness isn't the only trick here. It features dual light sources, RGB lighting, a rechargeable battery, and a magnetic body that lets you stick it wherever you need it. Whether you're searching under your car seat, walking at night, camping, or dealing with an emergency, this little light is ready to go. Tiny flashlight, serious backup. Ever wished your smartwatch could somehow hide a pair of earbuds inside it? WristBuds takes that idea and actually makes it happen, combining a smartwatch and wireless earbuds into one rugged 2-in-1 device. You get a 400 mAh battery, IP67 water resistance, over 100 sports modes, dual mic ENC, and health and sleep monitoring, all wrapped around your wrist. And when you need music or calls, these earbuds are literally right there waiting for you. One wrist, 2 gadgets, 0 clutter. Now imagine your dash cam could actually watch your car from almost every direction. This dash cam takes vehicle security to another level, with a 360-degree rotating camera, AI motion detection, powerful night vision, GPS tracking, and voice control. Instead of leaving blind spots around your vehicle, It can actively monitor what's happening and help capture suspicious movement even when you're away. It's basically like giving your car an extra set of eyes when you're not there. Basically, your car just got a security guard. Still pulling out a tape measure every time you need an accurate measurement. This 3-in-1 laser measuring tool combines a 262-foot laser measure, digital angle finder, and level into one compact device. The 2.4-inch color display makes measurements easy to read, while multiple modes, magnetic mounting, and rechargeable power make it even more practical on the job. Whether you're measuring walls, checking angles, or working on a DIY project, it can handle the job without the usual measuring hassle. Measure smarter, not harder. What if your meat thermometer could actually help you decide when your food is ready? Chef Lab brings AI-powered temperature monitoring to the kitchen with automatic temperature settings, app controls, cooking tutorials, and wireless monitoring from up to 700 feet away. You can keep an eye on your food without constantly opening the grill or oven, while the dock and magnetic mount keep the system ready whenever you need it. It even monitors temperature and humidity to give you more control over the cooking process. Perfect doneness just got smarter. Why should a bedside safe only protect what's inside, when it can also make your nightstand smarter? This biometric bedside safe combines fast fingerprint access with a backup key and USB-C emergency unlock, while also doubling as an alarm clock with a humidity display. The built-in wireless charging feature lets you power up a compatible phone, while the safe keeps your valuables secured and ready when needed. With an alarm and bolt-down design, it's built around both convenience and added security. Smart nightstand, serious protection. What if you could completely change the feel of your desk without taking up any extra space? The Limax Monitor light bar sits directly on top of your monitor, giving your workspace focused illumination without covering your screen or creating annoying glare. Its dimmable lighting lets you adjust the brightness to match whatever you're doing, while the wireless controller keeps everything within easy reach. It's especially useful for late-night work, gaming, studying, or simply making your setup look cleaner. Your desk just found its glow up. Ever wish cleaning those impossible greasy spots didn't require half your kitchen cabinet? The Fixty is an electric cleaning brush. It is designed to tackle stubborn oil stains and messy surfaces with powered scrubbing instead of exhausting handwork. Its multifunctional design makes it useful for everyday cleaning tasks, where a normal cloth or sponge simply doesn't have enough power. Instead of constantly scrubbing until your arm gives up, you can let the motor do the dirty work. Less scrubbing, more sparkling. Now imagine your wallet, phone stand, and tracker were all hiding inside something barely thicker than a credit card. NeoX combines a 1.8mm ultra-slim tracker, wallet, and MagSafe compatible stand into one sleek everyday accessory. It syncs with Apple Find My, has a rechargeable battery, and uses a glass and aluminum design that looks much more premium than a typical tracker wallet. You can carry your essential cards, keep track of your wallet, and prop up your phone without adding another bulky gadget to your pocket. One card-sized gadget, 3 everyday jobs. And that's why these gadgets are so hard to ignore. They don't just look cool, they actually make everyday life easier. But now I want to know, which one would you actually use? Drop it in the comments. And if you discovered at least one gadget you didn't know existed, hit that like button and subscribe for more genius Amazon finds, because the next list might have something even crazier. Until then, keep discovering, and I'll see you in the next one.